This is a question from Sid Montreal. He asks, what does Bhagavan Krishna advise when people are envious of you and want to pull you down in life? What is his advice when dealing with fake people? Thank you, Guruji.
So we should be udasina vadasina. So that's what is very important. Udasina vadasina means we should just ignore neutral. Neutral, that's the main thing. Udasina. The word udasina is very important. That's what Krishna is also udasina vadasina. Nachamam tani karmani nibandrandi dhananjaya udasina vadasino asaktam tesu karmasu. So Krishna says when we are able to control our mind, so when we study Bhagavad Gita, when we understand the complete knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, then we follow all the instructions given by Krishna in Bhagavad Gita, when we are able to control our mind, so then Jitatmanaga prasantasya paramatma samahita sitoshana sukha dukkesu tata mana apamana. So Jitatmanaga, when we conquer our mind will become very peaceful, prasantasya. Then we will be able to realize the Paramatma, the super soul. Paramatma Samahita. At that time, we will be freed from the dualities of this material world. So that's what Sitosana Sukha Dukkesu Tata Mana Apamana. At that point of time, we will not differentiate people in different ways. Because Krishna is saying that Sugrun Mitrari Udasina Madhyastha Dveshya Bandhusu Sadhuswapicha Papesu Samabuddhi Visisyate. That's what Krishna is teaching in the 6th chapter. So Sugrun means well-wisher, Mitra means friend, Ari enemies. Surun Mitrari Udasina. Udasina means who are neutrals. Madhyastha, mediators. Udasina, Madhyastha. Dveshya, Bandhusu. So they Dveshya, enemies, and Bandhusu means the relatives. So that's what Dveshya, Bandhusu. So Dveshya, Madhyastha, Dveshya means the envious. That's what Prabhupada translated. Dveshya, Bandhusu. Sadhuswapicha Papesu. Sadhus, the saints. And the Papesu means the sinners. So Sadhuswapicha Papesu Samabuddhi Visisyade. So a person is considered still further advanced when he regards honest well-wishers, affectionate benefactors, the neutral mediators, the envious friends and enemies, the pious and the sinners, all with an equal mind. Samabuddhir Vishishyade. So that's what Samabuddhir Vishishyade. We should be also treating like that. We should not be affected by anyone, whatever anyone says. Our goal is only to focus what Krishna says. That's the only thing. We need to please Krishna. We need to study Bhagavad Gita, understand Bhagavad Gita. So Tulya Priya Priyo Diraga Tulya Nindatma Samstuti. Tulya Ninda Atma Samstuti. So that's what, when we are freed from the modes of nature, in the 14th chapter, Krishna says that, so Tulya Priya Apriyo. So one should be equal to both what we like or don't like. So Priya and Apriyo. And Tulya Nindatma Samstuti. That means in both fame and defame. So Nindatma Samstuti. So at that time we should be Tulya, equal. So that way, when we study Bhagavad Gita, understand this Bhagavad Gita fully, we will elevate ourselves to that kind of status that whatever anyone says is not going to affect us or bother us. That will ultimately happen by the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Guruji.